Ah, ya te lo van a quitar.
I think it's a little bit salty because I used salted butter, but it's just good. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day number 3 I believe, and sorry if you guys can hear me properly. I mean, I turned on my air now, so I don't know if the audio is gonna be really crisp anymore, but I'm not gonna suffer, you know what I mean? It's gonna be like 81 degrees today and I'm already starting to feel it, and plus I'm wearing socks already because I want to go to Walmart because I really want to get some stuff that I need for Easter. I'm planning to do like a little small, not even comidita, like what do you even call that? Because I wanted to make some treats for my family because I always be baking something. I'm like, let me bake some something for Easter too, you know what I mean? So I'm planning to make some cake pops or maybe even like brownies low-key. But yeah, basically we're gonna be going to Walmart. I'm actually gonna go check in with my sisters to see if they're kind of down to go, because they're gonna go do something. They're gonna go to an appointment that they have to do, and I'm gonna go because why not? And then hopefully after we're done going to Walmart, we could get some coffee, because like, you know, I want some coffee today. Yeah, I just finished one of my assignments that I needed to do for the day, and why not get some coffee, you know, a little sweet treat for completing one assignment. Me already rewarding myself even though I barely did anything. Anyways, back to the fit. Actually, let me go change, because then I'm gonna get way too distracted and then I'm not gonna wear anything, so we're not come back. Boom, just like that we got the fit on. So since it is gonna be pretty hot today, I am gonna be wearing Dolce & Gabbana light blue, a very summery, clean, citrusy fragrance. You know me, I love my citrusy fragrance. I think I'm gonna run out of it pretty soon, but well, it doesn't really look like it. I don't know. I'll put some in the back too. I don't know why I would put it in the back, but my neck usually gets hot and cologne works better when your body gets heated up, so I'm also gonna put some on my wrist. And then lastly, I'm gonna add this necklace, which to be honest has to be one of my favorite pieces in my collection. And yeah, I did spray the cologne first just in case the metals don't get ruined. But yeah, I am done getting dressed. I don't think I'm gonna add any rings today. I don't feel like a ring type of day today, so yeah, I guess I'll meet you guys over there. Let's go. It's about to be 10 and I'm gonna finish my last little bits of protein because I didn't reach it for the entire day, and I'm supposed to keep my protein very high. Not very high, but like at the proper amount. But yeah, I'm gonna put 1.5 scoops in here. And you're probably wondering, like, why are you gonna be making a protein shake when it's about to be 10? Well, like I just said, I didn't get to finish my protein for the day, so now I have to suffer. Not really suffer, but like now I have to finish my protein at night, which I don't like to do, because not even that I don't like to eat at night, it's just that I'm not hungry in the night. Yeah, and I'm also gonna use some milk. I'm gonna add milk and then water. That might sound disgusting, but I mean, I don't know why. It's just, every time I use this one in specific, my head hurts if I don't use any milk. I don't know what it has. This is also old. I think it's gonna expire. Oh, it's gonna expire in like 2 months. Remember? Wait, January, February, May. It's gonna expire in 2 months because I'm in April right now. I don't know why I was forgetting what month I am. Anyways, I'm gonna add the milk now. It's good. This better not spill, I swear. And yeah, as you can see, there's not enough milk, so I'm gonna have to add some water. I'm gonna get this radioactive water that we have in the fridge because I'm not trying to open a new bottle for no reason. I want muscles. And this is why I'm gonna use this cup, because I go like this. It's just easier. I find it better that when I use protein powders, it's better to mix it up like this instead of actually stirring it around. It really breaks up the little pieces, and I hate swallowing the little pieces. It makes me feel like I want to throw up, so I'm just trying not to make it a less enjoyable experience, you know what I mean? But I am almost done with the homework that I needed to do. I think I will be able to finish it unless I just leave the discussion for tomorrow, because like I said, it is almost maybe like 5 minutes till 10, and I also want to sleep. I don't want to be staying up late like I always do. I don't know if you could even notice, but like I be looking tired sometimes. Oh hell no. But yeah, I am showered. This is my freaking pajama set that I'm wearing. Not even pajama set, I just be wearing random clothes to go to sleep. Let me finish this water. Let me shake it up one more time. Why do I look red as hell too? What the hell? It doesn't smell as bad anymore, but I hope it's not thick. You know, I also hate thick substances to drink. Okay, let's try. It got quiet out of nowhere. What the hell? I got some little pieces. It's okay. I didn't shake it up well. It's fine. I'll finish it.